to a new video of made. This time the update from my dill that I planted, and I planted the seeds, and if you want to see that video how I do that, I will put the link in the description. This is my dill that I've planted about a month ago. You can see there are already a little bit of dill leaves coming, as you can see here, so that is good, and I hope I will water it very good, because otherwise it will make some blooms and then it's all over for this year and I have to plant new ones. So I hope I don't do that. As you can see here, they have not grown a lot, but they have still grown. But there are a few yellow leaves, so I didn't water it enough, as you can see a little bit. So I hope I don't ruin this. But we are now a few days further and you can see I have not watered it enough, and I did not put it in the shade. I left it out in the full sun, so that's not good. And as you can see here, we are about 3 weeks further and you can see it is blooming now. And that's my own fault. I left it in the sun and I did not water it enough, and as you can see it makes tiny little yellow blooms now. So I need to start all over again, but that's okay. Now I'm letting you see what's happening if you just let it out in the sun and not water it enough. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.